guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to recreate the look that Deepika wore for recent Met Gala event. And I'm sure you must have seen her pictures and she looked absolutely stunning. So yeah, this is my little effort to recreate the look and I hope you guys have fun watching this. So first I'll apply some lip balm because my lips are really dry right now. Next, I have already primed my face, so now I'll apply foundation. Deepika had really flawless skin and obviously I don't have that flawless skin, so I'll make my skin look flawless by creating a perfect face. Never forget to apply foundation to your neck because then it looks really weird. First, I'll just tap and spread the foundation a bit and then use my beauty blender. Now I'm using my beauty blender to blend the foundation. I always feel that a beauty blender gives a more dewy look to your foundation compared to brush. So I like using beauty blender. Because I want a dewy look, I'm not going to powder my entire face. I'm just going to apply powder to my T-zone, like the areas which tend to get oily very easily. Just applying a very little bit of powder and that's it. I have skipped applying concealer because my foundation is a full coverage foundation and I feel this much coverage is pretty enough and I don't have dark circles or anything, so yeah, I feel this is perfect for me. Now coming to eyes, she had applied matte brown eyeshadow all over her eyelids and highlighted her inner corners using a fluffy brush and applying the eyeshadow all over my eyelids. Applying it all over my eyelids till my brow bone. And also on my lower lash line. The same on the other eye. I had applied this brown eyeshadow right here and I feel like it is less warmer compared to the eyeshadow that she used. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this eyeshadow on the top of the previous one that I had applied. I feel this brown color matches exactly like what she wore. And as always, I forgot to do my eyebrows and Deepika had really thick and defined eyebrows, so I'm just going to do that. Now coming back to my eyes, I'm going to use this shade from the eyeshadow palette and apply it on the inner corner of my eyes. Deepika did not apply eyeliner, but I feel she tight-lined her eyes, so I'm going to do that. And also I'm going to apply black eyeshadow very close to my eyelashes to define them. So first I'm applying black eyeshadow, just a little bit and very close to my eyelashes. I'll tightline my eyes. Lastly, I'll curl my eyelashes and apply lots of mascara. Deepika did not have a strong contouring going on, so I'll just do some soft contouring to define my cheekbones. Now I'll apply some blush. Now coming to my favorite part, I'm going to apply this shade from my highlighter palette. I love this highlighter palette. This highlighter palette is from Makeup Revolution and they created this in collaboration with Soph. Do let me know if you guys want a review on this. This is an absolutely amazing highlighter palette. So yeah, let me know if you want a review on this. Look at the glow and you'll understand yourself why I love this palette so much. Lastly, I'm blotting out the excess lip balm and applying my lipstick. And this is it for the makeup part. Thank you for watching and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you did, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!